Looking for a powerful drone without breaking the bank? Today, we're checking out the top 5 best budget drones of 2025, all packed with 4K to 8K cameras, GPS, and advanced flight features that'll make your aerial shots look like pro-level footage. If you love discovering cool tech, drones, and budget-friendly gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I've got more awesome drone reviews coming your way every week. Now, let's jump into it. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Xiaomi V168 Drone. First up, we have the Xiaomi V168 GPS Max Drone, a folding quadcopter that delivers insane value for its price. Product info: 8K professional HD camera with crystal clear aerial video. 5G Wi-Fi transmission for real-time image stability. GPS positioning and laser obstacle avoidance. Brushless motors for smoother, quieter flight. Foldable and portable for travel. Reviews say users love the stability and precision GPS control, calling it a perfect beginner drone that feels much more premium than its price suggests. Pros: stunning 8K camera quality. Obstacle avoidance sensors. Long battery life and reliable GPS return. Quiet, smooth brushless performance. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE. Next, the Potensic Atom SE is one of the best sub-249 grams drones you can buy, no FAA registration needed. Product info: 249 grams lightweight design for easy travel and no registration hassle. GPS auto return and follow me mode. AIS, electronic image stabilization, for smoother footage. 4K range with 4K video support. Single-axis gimbal for stabilized shots. Reviews say users praise its stability, easy control, and portability, especially for beginners and travelers who want smooth aerial footage. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly. Excellent battery efficiency. Long flight range. Smooth video thanks to AIS. Number 3. S156 RC Drone. The S156 RC drone delivers impressive 8K resolution and great features for a true budget price. Product info: 8K dual HD cameras for wide and detailed capture. 5G Wi-Fi for fast image transmission. Optical flow positioning for stable hovering. Gesture control and intelligent flight modes. Foldable, lightweight design. Reviews say users love how easy it is to fly, even for first-timers, plus the dual camera system gives a surprisingly cinematic look for under $100. Pros: dual camera system. Compact and easy to use. Stable flight even in light wind. Great beginner-friendly controls. Number 4. V168 PRO Max. The V168 PRO Max takes safety and control to another level with full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Product info: 8K professional HD dual cameras. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. GPS positioning with smart return to home. FPV real-time view via 5G Wi-Fi. Foldable design for portability. Reviews say people are impressed by the obstacle avoidance performance, making this drone perfect for beginners and those who want extra security during flight. Pros: excellent 360 degrees obstacle detection. Dual camera angles. Strong GPS stability. Great for both indoor and outdoor flying. Number 5. D13 Drone. Finally, the D13 drone stands out with a built-in large display controller, so you can fly and see everything in real time, no phone needed. Product info: 3 4K HD cameras for flexible angles. 5G Wi-Fi FPV system. Brushless motors for durability. Optical flow hover for stable flight. Foldable design with an integrated large screen controller. Reviews say people love the built-in screen, saying it makes setup faster and eliminates lag from phone connections. Pros: built-in screen controller. Triple camera setup. Smooth flight and clear visuals. Great beginner to intermediate drone. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best budget drones for 2025. From 8K powerhouses to beginner-friendly 4K flyers, there's something here for every budget and skill level. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome drone and gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, your next adventure looks better from the sky.